So here's how you do a calibration using the 4K camera. So just hover your mouse to the upper row, and then you will see this icon called calibration. Click on it. Left click on your mouse. Okay. Then you will see the red lines here. So just drag it to the corner of each calibration. Okay. So just try to align it as best as you can. Okay, so we are doing it from 0 to 10. That means in that increment is actually 10 millimeter. So you enter your unit here, double click on the mouse, and the keyboard will drop down at the bottom. So enter 10. Okay, and then select the corresponding units. In this case, we are using millimeter, so just choose the millimeter. And over here also has a good feature. You can label the magnification for your particular lens. So for example, right now we are using a 0.6x. So if you want, you can enter 0.6 and then x. So that will be the corresponding calibration for this particular calibration. So say OK, and then that's it. And now when you are ready to measure, over here you just choose the corresponding calibration and use the tools here to do your measurements.